In this video, I am going to discuss real-time operating system. Real-time operating system is a special type of operating system, specifically designed for embedded system. The main two important things in real-time operating system are correctness and timeliness. Correctness means whenever we give some task to the operating system, it should generate the correct result. Timeliness. It means operating system should generate result in a specific period of time. That is, it should ensure the deadlines. So we can say that real-time operating system are time-critical system. Coming to the definition of real-time operating system. It is an operating system in which it produces correct result in a specific period of time. Example, airbag control system. That is, whenever a crashing is occur, airbag has to be opened within a fixed time immediately to protect from injuries. Types of real-time operating system. There are two types of real-time operating system. First one is called hard real-time operating system and second one is called soft real-time operating system. Hard real-time operating system. It is a system in which topmost priority is to generate the result in a specific deadlines and we cannot afford delay the result after the deadlines. Example, air traffic control. It means it control the traffic in air using some computerized algorithms in which many levels are depending upon the system. So we make a delay, it cause disaster or consequence of that can be very bad. Another example is missile system. Soft real-time system. It also ensures the timeliness, but it is not very much strict on the timeliness. In soft real-time, we expect result on real-time. Even if there is some delay, there is no problem. Example of soft real-time system is online video streaming. So when we are watching some videos online, we want them to play in a real time. If there is some delay, we don't mind. Another example is online music streaming. So we can understand that soft real-time system, it will give high priority to task and not very much strict on the time. Characteristics of real-time operating system. Reliability. Without a human intervention, depending on the application, the system might need to operate for long periods. Predictability. We can predict the completion of operating system within a known time frame. Performance. An embedded system must perform fast enough to fulfill its timing requirement. Compactness. Application design constraints and cost constraints help to determine how compact the embedded system can be. Scalability. They must be able to scale up or down to meet application-specific requirements. Advantages of real-time operating system. It mainly focuses on application. And in embedded system, there are so many advantages. And it is an error-free operating system. There is some disadvantages also, which including limited tasks, complex algorithms, use heavy system resources. It means sometimes the system resources are not so good and they are expensive as well.